Yo, what up guys? It's Easy Linux here, and today we got a tutorial on how to disable root on your CentOS box. So the first thing we're going to do is add a user. We're going to make it a super user. This will be the one you'll use to sign in. It will basically allow you to be root without actually using root login. So, oh yeah, I already know it's bad password. I don't give a shit. Alright, user add. We're going to, well, I already did this, but the video got ruined. So we're going to name it Easy Linux. So to add a user, you use command user add, then the name you want it to be. Then the next thing we should do is change the password of it. So pass WD, not password, pass WD. Then you're going to put the username. So here it's going to say new password. You're changing it. Here you're going to want to do a hard password. You don't want your stuff to be easy to crack or easy to get into, but for my purposes, I'm doing an easy one. Make sure you don't be lazy. You don't want your box be able to get into easily. The next thing we're going to do is add this group to the group called the wheel. So we're going to do user mod hyphen or dash G10 and then the name of it. So Easy Linux. Now Easy Linux should be in wheel group, and then we have to go into directory etc nano sudoers, and you're going to go down, and here you're going to find two lines. Most likely yours will have hashtags or comments in them, and you're just going to take them out. Basically, it makes these lines active, so your wheel group will be able to run all commands and do it without a password. So then you're going to do Control X, Y for yes, and then click Enter. So before we go further, this is when you're going to want to go into the account you just made. You're going to access your box. That didn't work. Yes, it did. You're going to access the box through the new user you just created. So we got to put the password in. We're going to click yes. And here we are in the box. And we are going to do the command sudo su dash. And here you see we got into root without putting our password. And basically, if we can go on root, we can do whatever we want. We can do all commands. That being said, we do not need root login anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to stay in cd/etc/ssh. Then I'm going to do nano sshd underscore config. Now, in another video, we're going to change port number. Before we do this, we're going to have to look at the IP table, so don't do it now, unless you're going to be locked out of your box. But we are going to find permit root login right here. We're going to uncomment this, and we're simply going to put no. We don't want that shit. So Control X, Y for yes, Enter. Here we are going to do, we're just going to reboot the box. So it's going to kick us out, obviously. Here we can actually see it rebooting, since this is a virtual box. That's going to close out on MOBA. That's cute. Alright, so here we are, we're rebooting. And we should be coming up here in a second. Let's back up. Oh, you know what? It's not going to work because I don't have it. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign in as, what I name it, Easy Linux. And then we're going to put the password in. And we have to make my etho come up. if up etho. Now we should be able to go on MOBA, which I hate using VirtualBox, so we're going to do just that. So here we see we're in the Easy Linux, and we can go root, but if we go here, permission denied. This is good news. Here I just typed in the password wrong. But this means we disabled root login. This now means when someone tries to get into your box with your password that should be hard, they can no longer use root. So that means they now have to figure out your username and your password. So this does help with some security. We will continue with getting more, making it more secure. But this is the start of it, and that is all for today, guys, and I will catch you guys later in the next video. Have a good one, guys.